We're talking about the Starkey Table Mic in this video. It is for the Starkey Genesis and the Evolve hearing aids. It does not work with the new Edge AI hearing aids. Inside you'll find the instruction manual, and this is the table mic itself. You're going to pair it to your hearing aids, and then it has a lot of different cool functions. So you can pair it to your phone, pair it to your hearing aids. You can have a speaker, your conversation partner, oh, well, I'm messing it up, connected to this nice lanyard. It's got a magnet on there. They can wear it around their neck and it'll pick up their voice. And this piece knows when it's being worn like a necklace versus being set on the table. And so the lights on it will tell you what it's doing. If you set it on the table, it's going to pick up the voices around the table. So you get that nice clear audio streamed to your hearing aids versus if someone's wearing it on the lanyard, you'll just get their voice. Also inside you have a jack, so you can plug this into your TV. So you actually plug this USB-C side into the table mic, and then you would plug the jack into your TV so that you can stream TV audio.
But it does turn off the sound, right, for the TV?
Probably.
Yeah.
You have a nice charger, easy to use, wall plug. A little silicone protection case if you feel like you need to have it nice and protected. I'm not going to put it on there all the way. And then it also comes with these headphones. I don't really know why you would use them because then you can't pair it with your hearing aids. But if you didn't wear a hearing aid and you wanted all these functions, you could use these headphones instead. So it's a pretty nifty piece in a carrying case. Very nice.